you tired of studying hard and still not seeing the grades you want? Well, it's time to change that. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 active study tips that can help you engage with your learning, boost your understanding, and most importantly, improve your grades. Let me ask you something. When you are studying, do you just read through the material and move on, or do you actually stop and think? Instead of just reading, start challenging yourself. Ask why something is happening. For instance, if you are studying biology, ask, why is this process even happening? Or how is this concept actually working? Imagine if you are studying Krebs cycle. Ask yourself, why Krebs cycle happen? What is the significance of it? What are the steps involved into that? Also, you can try how if scenario in your study session. Believe me, it will make a huge difference. Let me connect this with the Krebs cycle as we are talking about it. Ask yourself, what if one step of Krebs cycle didn't work? One of the enzyme is not working. What will happen in the Krebs cycle? Try asking yourself these questions out loud, or you can think of these questions in your mind. It's like you are having a conversation with the material, and that connection is what will help you to understand and remember it better. So try this method and you will be surprised at how much more connected you feel to the material. And when you are connected with the material, your understanding will be better and definitely your grades will improve. Tip number 2. One powerful way to remember new concept is to connect them to something familiar. This technique makes theoretical information feel more real, helping you better understand and retain it. For example, if you want to study about the cell and its organelle, consider cell as a tiny factory and each organelle acting as a department. Mitochondria are like power plants providing energy. The nucleus serves as the control center and ribosomes are production lines making proteins. Imagining cells this way make it easier to remember how each part works together. Also, you can use memory tips to remember key terms. Suppose you want to remember hydrophilic and hydrophobic term. Remember L in hydrophilic as loving water. These molecules love water and mix easily with water. And P in hydrophobic you can remember as pushing away water. These molecules avoid water and that is why not mixing with the water. By connecting new information with familiar ideas and memory tips, you will find it easier to engage with and remember complex topics. Tip 3. Making learning multisensory. What does that mean? It means using more than one sense to interact with the material. Don't just read your notes, say them out loud. Watch a video related to the topic or even sketch a diagram to visualize the concept. The more senses you involve, the more pathways your brain creates to store the information. It's like building multiple roads to the same destination. Plus, it makes studying more engaging. So follow this multisensory approach and see how much more you can remember. When you actively engage with the content, it makes you think deeper. You can connect ideas and really understand the material. It's not just about memorizing, it's about making the knowledge stick in your mind and being able to apply it when you need it, maybe in the exams or in assignment. By applying these tips in your study sessions, you will definitely see improvement in your grades. And remember, 2 more powerful approaches are making your own notes and teaching others what you have learned. I have covered both of these strategies in my previous videos, so make sure to check it out for more details. So what are you waiting for? Start using these tips today and watch your grades improve.